Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I am achieving this really warm cut crease, and I definitely added a lot of depth and black to that outer corner, and I really love how this look turned out. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And as usual, if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So for today's look, I'm going to be using two palettes. First is the ABH Norvina Volume 3 palette. I just grabbed the salmon shade in the palette, and I'm just buffing this into my crease. And I am winging out that outer corner because we are going to be doing more of a cat eye shape today. So I'm just kind of mapping out that shape with this first transition color. And then I'm going into the shade E2, which is right next to the salmon shade that we used. And I'm just starting to carve my crease and just starting to add this line. It's going to be our map for where we're going to build depth. And I like to go a little bit above my natural crease, as most of you guys know, because I do like giving myself a little bit more lid space. And then I'm grabbing this big fluffy tapered brush, and I'm just going in left and right motions, and I picked up some more of that first transition color to help me diffuse that line. And we're going to start to build over top of this line. So I'm grabbing a really small tapered brush this time with some more of that salmon shade, and just really layering product, and we're really going to start to add a gradient. So next I'm going into the ABH Norvina Volume 1 palette, and I'm picking up the black eyeshadow and a really precise angled brush. This is a eyeliner brush by Colourpop, and I love how precise it gives me of a line. So I just drew that line right over top of where we first applied it. And I like to start in the center and then work my way to the inner and outer corner. And then I picked up that really small tapered brush once again. And I'm just going in left and right motions. And that black really does blend out really easily. And I did apply a little bit of black to that small tapered brush just to help us diffuse it. And then I grabbed my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contouring Concealer on an angled brush, and I just carved my lid. And then I grabbed this really beautiful metallic light gold shade in the palette in the ABH Norvina Volume 3 palette. And I'm just patting that all over my lid. And then after that, I'm going into this ABH glitter. And it's one of their new glitters. It's called Day 2, and it's absolutely stunning. I just knew that I wanted to apply it over top of that metallic gold shade, so that's what I did here. And I did apply some glitter glue underneath that. Of course, I used my Too Faced Glitter Insurance glitter glue. And then I'm just going to start to add some depth onto the outer corner. This is definitely where things get a lot more dramatic. So I'm grabbing this angled brush and that dark maroon shade that we used to first carve our crease. And then going into a small tapered brush and just going in left to right motions, diffusing that line. And then I'm grabbing this really small smudger brush and some of that black eyeshadow. And I'm just kind of really laying that down onto that outer corner and then just dragging inward and kind of blending all those shades together. And then I picked up that small tapered brush and some more of that coral shade just to blend everything once more. And then I peeled off my tape. And then for lashes, I just applied my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. Link will always be in the description box if you guys want to support our brand. And then I just applied that liner by CoverGirl. It's their full spectrum eyeliner. I just applied that in my waterline. And then for the lower lash line, I just applied the first salmon shade and then that darker maroon shade. And then I blended the two together. And then for mascara, I'm going ahead and picking up my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm and just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I picked up my Pop Beauty Gilded Light Highlighter, which is one of my favorites right now. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you watched this video to the very end, thank you so much for all of your support. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!